Have you ever wanted to create content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, but without showing your face, recording your voice, or editing a single video? Yeah, me too. That's why today we're diving into a tool called Reelio. An AI-powered video creator that promises to do all the hard work for you. You give it a topic and it gives you a fully generated, faceless, short-form video, complete with visuals, voiceover, captions, and even automatic posting. Sounds too good to be true? I thought so too, which is why I tested it. And in this video, I'll show you what I found, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. Welcome back to Ideaplex, where we break down big ideas and smart tools so you can create more with less effort. If you're ready to give Reelio.ai a try, here's exactly how to sign up and get started. It only takes a few minutes, and you don't need any technical skills to get going. First, head over to the website Reelio.ai. Right on the homepage, you'll see a bold call to action button that says Get Started or Try for free. Click on that and it will take you to the sign up screen. Next, you'll be asked to create an account. You can either sign up with your Google account. Once you've confirmed, Reelio will automatically log you in and drop you into the main dashboard. This is where the magic happens. This is the main hub where you manage and create your AI-powered video content. Right at the top, you'll see a warm welcome message along with your name, personalizing your creative space. In the center, there's a section called Usage and Limits. This tells you how many faceless video series you've created so far and your total content usage. Since you're currently on the free plan, you're limited to just one faceless series and one piece of content, which includes either a series or a user-generated ad. Below that, there's also an upgrade prompt if you want more features, faster rendering, and priority support. Just below, you'll find the recent Faceless series section. Right now it's empty because no series have been created yet. But don't worry, there's a clear call to action button labeled Create First Series. Clicking that will start the process of building your first automated video series. Using AI-generated visuals and voiceovers, perfect for storytelling or educational content. On the left-hand side, the sidebar menu gives you easy access to everything. You can go to the home screen, check out your faceless videos, including the series list, or create a new series, explore avatar videos, or manage your uploads. Additional options like billing, affiliate program, contact, and settings are also conveniently located there. At the very bottom, you'll find your account details with your name and email address. There's also a big purple upgrade button if you decide to switch to a paid plan for more content and flexibility. Now let's create a new video series. You begin the process of creating your faceless AI video series. At the very top, you'll find Choose a Destination. This is where you decide where your video series will be published. For now, the option available is YouTube. You can connect your YouTube account by clicking the Connect button, which makes publishing seamless once your video is ready. Next, under Select Video Type, you can define the style and format of your video content. The option shown here is Custom Prompt, where you manually enter your video idea or script. You get up to 250 characters to describe your video concept. This is what the AI will use to generate your faceless video. Moving on to series settings. This section lets you customize how your video will look and sound. You can choose your preferred narration voice. In this example, the voice Alloy is selected. You can also set the narration language, which is currently English. Right beside that, there's an option to set the video duration. It's set to 30-60 seconds, ideal for short-form content. Below that, you'll find aspect ratio options, which determine the shape of your video. The vertical 9:16 ratio is selected, which is optimized for mobile platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can also choose landscape for traditional YouTube videos or square for platforms like Facebook or Instagram feeds. Finally, the section titled Art Style allows you to choose the visual style of your video. This includes various animated or artistic templates that will shape the overall look and feel of the final output. These styles help give your video a unique appearance based on the theme or tone you want. Once you've selected your art style and customized all the settings like voice, language, duration, and aspect ratio, Reelio starts generating your faceless video automatically. Within a short time, your video is ready to preview. This is where the magic happens. The platform uses your custom prompt, pairs it with AI-generated visuals and narration, and turns it into a complete video ready to publish. It's all fully automated, which means you don't need to worry about editing, voice recording, or even animation. Everything is handled for you. The video you see here is based entirely on the settings and prompt you just entered. You can now watch it to make sure you're happy with the result. If anything needs tweaking, like the voice, visuals, or script, you can go back, adjust the inputs, and generate a new version instantly. And once you're satisfied, you're just one click away from publishing directly to YouTube or downloading it to use on other platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. This is a super powerful and time-saving tool for anyone looking to create high-quality faceless content with ease. Reelio is perfect for faceless creators, busy entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and even educators who want to repurpose content into short videos. It's also a great tool for people who want to stay anonymous but still grow on platforms like TikTok or YouTube. If you've got ideas but no time or no desire to film and edit, this is a great solution. But if you're aiming for ultra-customized or cinematic content, you may hit some limits. For most people looking to scale short-form content quickly, the answer is yes. It's not going to replace human storytelling or high-end production, but for fast, faceless content, it's a game changer. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to try it out. You can test it free and see if it fits your content goals. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and creative hacks, and let me know in the comments what you'd use Reelio for. This is Ideaplex, where we explore ideas, tools, and tech that help creators like you work smarter. Catch you in the next one.